is an LTA initiative, and it started when Great Britain won the Davis Cup.
It's an introduction to new tennis players, and then the idea is obviously then they grow a love for tennis through that course and sign up to any club near them. So it's a fantastic initiative, and that they have been very successful this year. It's like any exercise class, but so we've got the music, but it's tennis orientated. The best thing about that though is you don't have to have any tennis experience. It's low pressure balls, so and the coach who's running it wouldn't be looking at your technique or how many balls you get over and in. You're just whacking these balls most of the time, as well as doing some drills, a lot of footwork, and tend to burn anywhere between 600 plus calories in a session.
People love coming to it because it's a bit more interactive than going to the gym. You can improve your tennis at the same time, whilst it's not marketed as a coaching session.